ZANU-PF has destroyed what was a promising land of Zimbabwe, and the current leader of Zimbabwe is clueless like the South African leader. They are the same like they are twins. So the people of Zimbabwe, we want to make a plea. Please, when you are here in South Africa, don't worry, you are at home. But when there are elections at home, go there in your numbers. Go and vote and remove that nonsense that is happening in Zimbabwe. And come back if you want to come back. You cannot just fold your hands. The people of Zimbabwe must rise here in South Africa and go and vote for a proper government in Zimbabwe. If they want to come back, they are welcome, no problem. But let's help each other so that there is a proper government in Zimbabwe, and we'll bring a proper government in South Africa. We become one big family. Let's not be comfortable and think, no, all is well as long as you are in South Africa. Let's not forget, as Zimbabweans, that we've got a duty at home to deliver a progressive government that will respect human rights, that will make sure the economy of Zimbabwe grows, that will make sure it defeats poverty and unemployment. Because a progressive and developing Zimbabwe is a solution to the problems of South Africa. So we want to help Africans who are helping themselves.